This guide will show you how to set up a PostgreSQL monitor in Applications Manager. Before we begin setting up the PostgreSQL monitor in Applications Manager, it's important to make sure that a few prerequisites are in place. I've opened the official prerequisites page here, and you'll want to scroll down to the PostgreSQL section. Please take a moment to review and ensure all the listed requirements are met. This includes things like enabling remote connections, verifying the PostgreSQL version, and ensuring the necessary credentials are available. Once you're sure everything here is set up correctly, we can move on to adding the monitor in Applications Manager. Click New Monitor. Click Add New Monitor. Select Database Servers. Click PostgreSQL. Fill in your preferred display name. Enter the desired host name. The default port number is 5432. If your PostgreSQL server uses a different port, enter it here. Provide the credential details. You can choose from two options. Option 1. Use below credential. Option 2. Select from credential list. If you choose option 2, the Credential Manager drop-down will appear. Select the appropriate credentials from the list. Here, we haven't added any credentials. In this video, we will use option 1. Enable or disable SSL as needed. Enter the username. Enter the password. Enter the name of the PostgreSQL database. You can set the polling interval here. The default polling interval is 5 minutes. You can change it to your desired value. Test the entered credentials. Click Monitor Group. If you want to associate this monitor with a specific monitor group, you can do that here. Add the monitor. To access the monitor you just added, you can click on Monitor Details. This is the added monitor. Here, get a holistic snapshot of your PostgreSQL server. In the Overview tab, view connection counts, buffer activity, and log statistics at a glance. In the Performance tab, dive into key performance indicators, including active connections, buffer hits, transaction rates, and query durations. In the Database tab, monitor each database's size, growth trends, and table scan activity to ensure optimal utilization. In the Session tab, view detailed session data. See who's connected, what queries they're running, and resource usage per session. In the Lock tab, track locks held versus waiting, perfect for spotting contention and blocking issues in real time. In the Replication tab, monitor replication status, lag, and synchronization health between primary and standby servers. This video covered the process of adding and configuring a PostgreSQL monitor in Applications Manager. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.